Good morning and welcome to a coffee video. So today we're going to make a coconut vanilla latte with cream. So without further ado, let me just grab hold of you and bring you over and I will show you the kit list for today. So we're going to use the espresso machine. This is the Sage Barista Express. We need some household scales, and that's to make sure we have enough coffee grind. It's weighing the right weight to produce the right espresso. We're going to need some coconut milk, obviously the steaming jug, the grip handle, the portafilter in it is for our coffee grind, and we've got some vanilla. We've got the cream that I've already prepared there. Now this is a light whip, so this is a vegan whip, Oatly cream. And we've got our coffee beans. So I'll just tell you a little bit about these coffee beans. So they're a medium roast. Let's see if we can see them. I can show you. There we go. Oh, whether you can see. There. No, I'm going to pour those into something. Okay, so I've just grabbed a bowl. Pour these out. So you can see there they're a medium roast. Because they're lighter in colour and the oil isn't showing on top, so you can tell they're not a dark roast. I've already set the grind and dose up on the coffee machine. So on this one you can see here that we've got number 6. There we go, on the grind size, and the adjustment is here. And I've also programmed in the extraction timing on the double shot. I did do a short on setting up your program, but I will do a more intense version of setting up the grind and dose and extraction on the Sage Barista Express, just for a bit of clarity. I'm going to get the shot ready to go, ready for extraction. I'm just going to pour some beans into the top. I don't need to weigh my beans out because I've already set up the grind and dose. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use the scales, pop my group handle on. I don't think you can see that, so I'm going to show you there really quickly. Here we go. So I've popped my group handle on. It's giving me that amount, so I'm just going to zero that. Yeah, so the group handle then is showing a 0. No, I'm not. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to reset because I need the lid on as well. So here we go. I'm going to pop that back on. Pop that back on to 0. There we go. So then when I put the group handle on to extract the grind and dose into it, or dispense the grind and dose into it there, I can then just weigh it. So let's just do that really quick. Okay. We're looking for 18 to 19. And we're exactly 18 grams, so that's perfect. Perfect for our espresso shot. I'm going to now just level just by tamping, and I'm going to keep this on while I tamp. Get the out. I'm just going to knock that down a little bit and give it a really good hard tamp. And then wipe. But I'm not going to put that on yet until I've steamed the milk. Get it out of the way so it doesn't get wet. First thing I'm going to do for steaming milk is just get the steam arm on so that it's pumping steam, not just water. I'm going to get my oat milk. Sorry, I'm going to get the coconut milk. There we go. I'm going to fill that up, the jug. Put the coconut in the milk in the jug just to below the spout there. There we go. So then I've got enough milk. By the time I put the steaming through it, created a foam head for the latte, we should be good and ready to go. Move it round. Down a little bit. You're going to see the milk spinning nicely. So if I just turn the jug, you can see the temperature gauge. So I'm looking really to knock it off at about 120 because it's an alternative milk. Whole milks, really be looking at turning off about 130 to get to 140 maybe. No more than 150 I would say, because you'll start to burn the milk. There we go. So, give the jug a bit of a bang just to get rid of any bubbles. Let's see there. Nice foam, nice shine on the top, that's exactly what we're looking for. Really quick wipe and then quickly purge the steam arm. There we go. And we're going to get the espresso running. Again, I'm going to bring you with me. There we go. So I want a double espresso. I'm just going to touch the double button there straight away into my espresso cup. You can see that's dripping really nicely. See those nice colours of light browns, yellows coming through. Perfect. I'm just going to keep spinning the milk as well to make sure that it doesn't kind of settle into a lump, all the foam. There we are. So there's the double espresso straight off the machine. You can see how nice that's looking. The crema on top's looking amazing. Absolutely beautiful. Well worth spending some time just setting up your espresso machine to make sure that you're producing this quality. Takes a little bit of practice, takes a little bit of getting used to. Can be a little bit frustrating when you're first getting used to it. Obviously every bean is different, but the results are well worth it. Okay, so I'm going to use a glass because you'll be able to see the layers. I'm going to use this vanilla syrup, just a quick Tesco's buy as well. So nice, easily available from Tesco's. I'll settle you down and we'll get this built. Right, let's get it built. First of all, we need syrup. Syrup is obviously to taste, so as much or as little as you like. I like a good amount. There we go. I like to taste the flavour through the milk. Again, bang and swirl and pour it in. We're having enough room there as well for cream on top. And then pop the shot through, and you can see that lovely foam head there. Okay, so let's get some cream on top. Starting from the outside. I'm not too trigger happy because I don't want to wear it, but there we go. How amazing does that look? There. I'll give you the grand tour now. I get the cream's not exactly diet friendly, but you gotta have something, yeah, right? And you can see those amazing colours of coffee. You can see that amazing colour of coffee and coconut milk there, and you can see the foam, the milk foam there, and then we've got the cream topping. So like I said, it is a light cream. It's a dairy-free cream. So this whole drink is vegan friendly. Absolutely perfect. Can't wait to have some. That's straight into the taste test now. Really, I should get a spoon. But it's a really good looking coffee, so I'm just going to dive straight in. I tried so hard not to get covered in cream. Oh yeah, that's really, really, really good. I think maybe a straw, or maybe we'll get a latte spoon and just kind of mix some of those flavours together. Yeah, I really like that. Really, really like that. I think it's great that it's an alternative to dairy. I think it's great that it's completely vegan. I like the fact that the coconut milk's really good for you, and when I'm being conscious about weight this time of year, then that's probably a really good alternative to go for. But yeah, really nice. So let me know how you get on with it when you make it yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've had a go and there's something you think we could do better. Maybe sugar-free vanilla syrup, maybe a different alternative milk, maybe almond vanilla cream on top, double espresso. Yeah, that sounds really good to me too. And I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the views, I appreciate the likes, I appreciate the subscribes. It really pushes me on to make more coffee, so that's brilliant. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching. I certainly enjoyed making it, and I will see you next time.